Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I capture sharp images of the moon through this telescope. The setup I'm using is the ASI 178 MC camera, the 7900 AZ Go-To telescope. This combo works really good for me to take sharp images of the planets and moon. Without any further ado, here's how I do it.
So first, search up ASI Studio or download it, press open, and then go to this section and click on ASI Video Stack. Press open. Then this is where you stack and sharpen everything. There's a little symbol over here, click on that, and open the thing that you want to stack. This is the video of what I wanted to stack. It's a very big file with a lot of frames. It was pretty actually bad seeing. So I'm only going to stack around 20% of it in this control panel area. But you can change it depending on how good your session was. Once you've done that, you should get an image like this. That's very nice. And then you can play around with the sharpness level and stuff in this control panel area. But I actually don't really need to do that much because it came out really good anyway. And then I'm going to put the contrast down 1 because it's a bit dark. There you go. So do one more actually. And that really brings everything out. Then you press save. Once you press save, you can safely close that. Search up Photopea and click on a new project. Press create. Then go to file, open, and click on that image you just made. And when you press open, it'll come up with that image. So this is what I've captured. You can kind of see the faint colors already, but we're going to enhance that way more. You can actually see it's very sharp, very high resolution image, which I'll be posting in future videos because I have not posted this image of the moon yet. Once you've done that and get it to the right size, you can add a new adjustment layer and choose brightness and contrast. You can edit around how bright you want your image of the moon to be. I don't usually edit this part that much. There you go. Once you've done that, add another adjustment layer and click on hue and saturation and set the saturation to 20. That brings it out more. And do that process a couple of times until you get it better. And you can see faint details. I've done it a few times and I'm starting to see this yellow and purple distortion from my telescope. But there is a way to get rid of that. And if you have it as well, you can get rid of it. But other than that, you can start to see the details. So if you have that distortion like me, go down, click on hue and saturation. And instead of master, click on yellow, because my thing is yellow, the distortion I see. And put the saturation all the way down. It fully gets rid of that yellow. And once you've done that, you'll be left with this. You'll still see a little bit of purple. So we'll quickly get rid of that. Make a new layer, hue and saturation, go to this one, and put the saturation down. See, you get rid of that yellow. And now you have an image where there's no yellow and purple, so you can keep bringing out the small details of the mineral moon. So make a new layer and put the saturation back to master and add 20. And keep doing that a couple times. And now you can see even in more detail. It's still a little bit purple, but we'll have to deal with that. And look at that. You can see everything in nice detail. So that's how I edited the mineral moon. Thanks for watching this video. And if you want more tutorials, let me know in the comments.